In this lecture, we are going to look at two more use cases for deep research that I think you will find immediately useful in your own life. The first one is about making a confident purchasing decision, and I'm going to use a very real life example. The second is about learning a completely new subject. I will show you something I haven't shown before. How to turn a deep research report into an infographic, a quiz, and flashcards, all without leaving the Gemini Deep Research interface. Let's start. My Aura sleep tracking ring recently broke. I would like to replace it, but I'm not sure if I should just purchase the latest ring of the same brand or use this as a chance to switch to something better. And there is one specific feature I've been wanting for years: a vibrating, sleep cycle aware silent alarm that actually wakes you up at the right moment in your sleep cycle, not just at a fixed time. Let's use deep research as our personal shopping assistant to cut through online reviews and articles. Here is my prompt. Notice a few things about this prompt. It is personal. I've given deep research real context about my situation and what I'm looking for. I included the vibrating alarm not just because I want it, but to see if Gemini can filter out the obvious choices. Most popular rings actually don't have vibration motors, so a basic search might just give me a top 10 rings list that ignores this requirement. Deep research should catch that. The prompt has a clear research agenda with 3 tasks, and it asks for a specific output format at the end, a feature table, which means the report will be immediately usable, not just a wall of text. Let's choose deep research from a list of tools. I'm going to rely on search here as the main source, and I'm choosing thinking mode. And let's start. Gemini has prepared this research plan for me, and I would like to make a change here. For this, I click Edit Plan. Next, I will type in the change that I want Gemini to make in the current plan. I want Gemini to also include a specific brand into its research. We see that the list of brands has been updated. I'm now fine with this plan, so I'm going to approve it and start the research. And in a few minutes, our report is ready. Let's walk through it together. You can see that deep research has identified the top 3 candidates, analyzed them across exactly the criteria I asked for, including vibrating smart alarm system, and produced the feature comparison table right here. This is the kind of output that would normally require at least an hour of tab switching, Reddit threads, and conflicting review sites analysis. I have it in minutes, structured around my specific situation and requirements. And here is the list of strategic recommendations from Gemini. And notice, because I gave it personal context upfront, the recommendations aren't generic. They filter it through my actual priorities: value for money, no heavy subscription, and a sleep alarm that actually works. This is a great example of using deep research for making purchasing decisions. Instead of drowning in options, you walk away with a clear, reasoned shortlist. In the second part of this tutorial, we will continue exploring deep research for another use case. I'll see you there.